Hi mga mamshi, we are still in Iloilo. Mamayang afternoon pa yung flight natin back to Manila. So let's study God's words. So yung didakin natin today is persevering faith. Bible verse natin is from Luke 21 verse 17 to 19. You will be hated by all because of my name, but not a hair on your head will be destroyed. By your perseverance you will secure your lives. From Luke 21 verse 17 to 19. So the one who, yung storyteller na today is si Sis Tina Santiago Rodriguez. So sabi niya, being a Christian in these days and age can be difficult. In many countries, it can be dangerous. So they suffer persecution or even imprisonment. Parang during the time of Christ. So, parang ako, I do not feel that persecution. Parang I feel there's freedom naman to attend Bible studies you want, or pastors, or kung anumang mga Christian group you want to attend to strengthen your faith. But since sabi ni Sis Tina, there are some areas or countries, sabi niya, even in the Philippines, there's a growing sentiment that the church is too old-fashioned and that we Catholics are unloving and unaccepting. So tayo pala yung kinikriticize. So we are criticized by our firm stand on abortion, divorce, and other important matters. So yun pala yung inaano nila sa atin. So sabi niya nga, she also experienced some bashing from a fellow mom blogger. But sabi niya, I felt hurt at first, but I remember the verses from Luke Gospel. I choose to forgive that blogger and pray for her and her family. May we always choose to love even if it's difficult. So we must pray incessantly for the gift of perseverance, sabi daw ni Saint Philip Neri. So ang prayer natin is, Lord, thank you for the gift of faith and your church. Please help me to persevere in my walk with you, even during trials and persecution. Jesus, I trust in you. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video.